Hey guys, so in this video I'm doing something a bit different. I'm engraving on an old pair of jeans that I had lying around. They've got a few ink stains on them, so I thought instead of throwing them out, why not turn them into something cool? I've added a few well-known logos to the design just for my own personal use, a mix of things that fit the overall theme that I'm going for. I'll show you how I set everything up in CorelDRAW, how I trace and prep the designs and then move them over to LightBurn. It's actually a pretty simple process once you get the hang of it, but there's a few small details that make a big difference, especially when you're working on denim. So let's get into it. A design tip powered by MaxLaser Academy. Alright, so here we are in CorelDRAW and I'm importing both images that I downloaded from Pinterest and I'm placing them in my workspace. Next I go to Outline Trace and select Logo. I change the number of colors to 2 depending on how many colors are in the picture. You can already see the difference between the original image and the traced version. Once that's done, I click OK, delete the original image, and then I ungroup the traced design. I delete the black background and weld all the shapes together for the Black Ops 4 logo. Now moving on to the Rockstar logo. This one has 3 colors, so again, I go to Outline Trace, choose Logo, and then change the colors to 3. Then I hit OK and delete the original image and I start working with the traced design. I ungroup it and delete any extra background shapes. We only want the black areas to engrave. Finally, I place both logos next to each other, make them solid black, and that's it. Easy, simple, done. Right, so here we are in LightBurn and I'm using the machine's camera to line everything up with the jeans, just to make sure the designs are placed exactly where I want them. I'm also resizing and moving a few things around until the layout looks right. Now, under cuts and layers, my engraving speed is set to 700 and both my max power and min power are at 7 with air assist turned on. Air assist should always be on with jeans. I've tested it before and without it, it burns the fabric. My line interval is 0.043, which is really important. I tried 0.05, but it just didn't give me a clean result. And that's pretty much it for my settings. Let's go check this machine out. I've noticed when you're engraving on jeans, the spots that lift up a bit don't really engrave properly. What you can do is just press those areas down with magnets or even bring the laser slightly out of focus so it still catches the surface. That's it for this one. The engraving came out really clean and honestly, I'm super happy with how it turned out, especially for an old pair of jeans with a few stains. Since this is just for my own personal use, I could take my time to make sure everything comes out exactly how I wanted. It's a fun little project and it's awesome giving old jeans a new life. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.